Even more fascinating, coriander has been shown to have antibacterial and antifungal properties. This means it can help your body fight off infections and even clear up skin conditions like acne. Did you know that one of the oldest herbs on the planet might also be one of the most controversial? Coriander, or as some of you might know it, cilantro, has been used for thousands of years, not just in cooking, but for healing. But here's the catch. For some people, the leaves of this herb taste like soap. So, why is coriander so polarizing, and how can it benefit your health in ways you might not expect? Stay with me and I'll show you how this ancient herb can change your wellness routine. Ready to learn how a simple kitchen herb could be your next health secret? Let's get started. First things first. What exactly is coriander, and why do some people call it cilantro, while others call it coriander? Well, coriander and cilantro are actually the same plant. Confused? Don't be. Here's the breakdown. Cilantro refers to the fresh, leafy part, while coriander is what we call the seeds. But no matter what you call it, this herb has a huge history. Now, before we get all confused by the names, let's talk about something that's even more interesting. Did you know that coriander is one of the oldest herbs used in cooking and medicine? Archaeologists have actually found traces of coriander seeds in the tombs of ancient Egyptian pharaohs. Yes, this herb is a true survivor, used in everything from ancient food recipes to medicinal potions. Did you know coriander was so valuable it was even considered an aphrodisiac? That's right, this herb was one of the first to be traded across continents and cultures, making it a true global treasure. Fast forward to today, and whether you love it or hate it, coriander is a staple in cuisines all around the world. And if you're like me, you probably find yourself on the cilantro side of the debate. But did you know that whether you love it or can't stand it may be genetically determined? Coriander is so divisive that some people actually have a genetic trait that makes cilantro taste like soap. Imagine that. What's delicious to some is a soapy disaster for others. Talk about a love or hate herb. But let's not focus too much on the taste, because this herb has a lot more to offer than just flavor. So, let's talk about its composition. Coriander is packed with essential oils, antioxidants, and vitamins including vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin A. It also contains minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which help support your body in so many ways. But here's the real magic of coriander, its health benefits. You see, coriander is more than just a flavorful addition to your salsa. It's been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and research is catching up to what ancient cultures already knew. We've explored its fascinating history, but what makes coriander truly stand out is its ability to heal. Let's talk about how this ancient herb can do wonders for your body. First up, digestion. Coriander has been shown to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and bile, which helps your body break down food more efficiently. That's why it's often used to soothe upset stomachs, reduce bloating, and even relieve nausea. It's a digestive powerhouse. But that's not all. Coriander has anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it great for reducing joint pain and arthritis symptoms. It's also known for helping lower blood sugar levels, making it a great herb for people managing diabetes. Even more fascinating, coriander has been shown to have antibacterial and antifungal properties. This means it can help your body fight off infections and even clear up skin conditions like acne. So, if you're looking for a natural, all-around healing herb, coriander is definitely your friend. Now let's talk about the best part. How to make a cup of coriander tea. It's simple, really. All you need are some coriander seeds. Here's what you do. Take about 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and crush them lightly with a mortar and pestle. This will help release the essential oils. Then place the crushed seeds into a teapot or a cup and pour in about 1 cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes and strain it before drinking. This tea is not only soothing but also packs a punch when it comes to digestion and immunity. And if you're looking for an extra boost, you can add a little honey or a slice of lemon to balance the flavor. Drinking coriander tea regularly can help you feel more energized, improve your digestion, and even aid in detoxing your body. So whether you're sipping it after a heavy meal or just to relax, this herb has your back. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about coriander or cilantro and how to make a simple, delicious tea out of it. Whether you're a fan of its unique flavor or just curious about its health benefits, coriander is a herb that deserves a place in your pantry. Give it a try and let me know how you like your coriander tea. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of herbs. And if you enjoyed discovering how this humble herb can improve your health, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow herb enthusiasts. I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into more wellness secrets from nature.